Hey everyone, Jeff here. Just wanted to go over a couple of cook kits I've went through over the years. I'm going to start out with this little guy right here. Actually, it's not very big or small at all. So this is an army cook kit. Comes with a pot, large and small, kind of a cup and a pan, so to speak. It uses gas, you pump it up, you light it, you boil your water on top of there. To cook with or whatever. This is kind of big and bulky. It fits right inside of itself, so it is kind of handy. Closes up like that. Throw that in your backpack. That's the heavy end. This is an ultra light end. You can get these little stoves. Uses the little tablets to heat with. These little tablets will last about enough to boil you a couple of cups of water. This little guy folds right down, goes right inside this little box. This is another military type little cook kit. This is what I've graduated to now though. This little guy right here, this is a small little stove and a gas canister. This little guy opens up like this. It actually goes, screws right on top of here, and then you can heat up your pot of water. This is really convenient and small. Very lightweight. Doesn't take up a lot of room in a backpack at all. It folds right up. This one has a piezo igniter on it. That means it'll just ignite with the little spark right there. Has a little bag that it comes with. You can put that, I'll show you more on that in just a moment. Let me jump to my eating utensils. When I first started backpacking, I use this. This is a, I don't know, big heavy metal plate, some metal backpacking type spoon things, fork, heavy stuff. After a while I graduated to something inexpensive, lightweight, just a little Tupperware, Gladware, whatever, bowl, plastic spoon. I've moved on to this little guy. Little spork and a spatula knife combo. These just snap together, clip a carabiner on there, you're good to go. This is my latest cook kit. This is GSI. Has a little carrying pouch. This whole thing fits right into this pouch. This pouch is rubberized, so you can use it for a bowl or a sink. Carry water in like a little bucket. Inside of here, you've got your pot, obviously, and then inside we've got these little guys. This is, there's two pieces. There's a bowl, and this one is actually a cup with the built-in warming cozy and a lid, so you can just sip right out of there. These nest together. They both go inside the pot, so you can stack them up together. They come with a little spork, folding spork. Slides in and out together. In my little kit I've got some soap, a lighter, a little sponge to clean up with. And I just put all that right inside of this pot. Another great thing about this pot is I've actually got room to put that little stove I folded up earlier and the actual gas canister. So I can drop that lid, put this inside, put the gas canister in, put this little guy inside, and I'm good to go. Put all that right back in that little pouch and I'm good to go. Anyway, I just wanted to go over that real quick, show you guys a couple of the things I use to cook with. That way, when we go backpacking, you'll kind of have an idea what you can bring. You can go really cheap and lightweight, just a throwaway Tupperware, or the GSI unit I bought, about $50. Anything in between.